Did you know that dermaplaning is one of the fastest growing treatments in the skincare industry? If you're looking to offer your clients glowing, smooth skin, you need to add this to your service menu. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to dermaplane like a pro. Dermaplaning is a simple yet powerful exfoliation treatment that removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz, revealing smooth, radiant skin. For estheticians, it's a game changer that can instantly elevate your services and boost client satisfaction. I know some of you may be hesitant to add dermaplaning to your treatment menu. Maybe you're worried about safety, or you think it's only for advanced professionals. The truth is, dermaplaning is a safe, effective treatment for most skin types, and when done correctly, it's easy to incorporate into your services. Here's how to dermaplane like an expert in 5 simple steps. Step number 1, prepare the skin. Cleanse your client's skin thoroughly to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. This will ensure a smooth, even surface. Step number 2, choose the right tools. Use a sterile, single-use scalpel or professional dermaplaning tool for precision and safety. Step number 3, perfect the technique. Hold the blade at a 45-degree angle and use short, gentle strokes. Start at the forehead and work your way down the face, avoiding the eye area and any active breakouts. Step number 4, aftercare. Finish with soothing toner, hydrating serum, and always apply SPF to protect the fresh exfoliated skin. Step number 5 is maintenance. Schedule dermaplaning treatments roughly 4 to 6 weeks apart for best results. Now, here's where the magic happens. Watch your client's skin transform right before your eyes. After dermaplaning, their complexion will be smoother, more radiant, and perfectly primed for makeup and further treatments. To recap, dermaplaning involves 5 simple steps: prep, tool selection, technique, aftercare, and maintenance. It's a straightforward treatment that delivers instant glowing results, making it a must-have addition to your aesthetic service menu. Want to elevate your aesthetic business with dermaplaning? Check out Advanced Aesthetic Training's Dermaplaning Mastery Class. This course is designed for professionals like you who want to refine their technique, boost client satisfaction, and grow their business. Click the link below to enroll and start mastering dermaplaning today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pro tips to grow your aesthetic services.